And again, you are listening to DC Free 89.5. You can call them for your request, 209-954-5526. And going to the Twitter feed, at SAG Awards says more news, at Busy Phillips 25, and at Tay Diggs to announce the 19th annual SAG Awards nominations. Hashtag can't wait. Hashtag nominations. Al.Lee slash FEETEM. And at IGN says the game shows players the eternal struggle of those suffering from Tourette syndrome. Go.ign.com/TRKKM0 is the view summary area. And Victoria's star Ariana Grande says hashtag serious decisions, hashtag serious decision making. Huffy or Walden at Low Anthony. And Stockton Thunder's broadcaster Mike Benton at Benton_Mike says great pleasure by Tyler Buns giving 50 cents per save this season to RSC Sports Leisure for those with disabilities, rscsj.org. And lastly, from GameStop Incorporated at GameStop, choose from 2,500 gifts under $20 details and more hot deals at ht.ly/FETHB. And while I'm talking and get your weather report, it's going to be, well, there's basically going to be a thunderstorm tonight. Well, that's mainly, of course, this is the Sacramento forecast, not webcast. Because it's brought to you by KCRA3 Weather at kcra.com/weather. So it's going to be, well, thunderstorm tonight. It's going to be in the high 50s, high 59, and low 50. And tomorrow through Sunday, it's going to be raining, like low 60s, 63 on, well, tomorrow and Saturday, and 61 Friday and Sunday. We're going to start seeing the weather clear up on Monday. It's still going to be 61 degrees, but mostly cloudy skies. So it's basically going to go from the high 50s to low 60s over the next few days. Now we're going to get your Stockton weather. There's still going to be thunderstorms over in Stockton in the high 50s, or mid 50s. 56 degrees is going to be in the mid 50s. It's going to go to the low 60s, and then high 50s, not 80s, and low 60s. Basically 50s, 60s. That's the range that you're going to see. There's going to be a thunderstorm tonight in Stockton, 56 degrees, so I would especially watch out for that, well, newly lit tree by the Hospice of San Joaquin. I was over there with DJ Sean Riley, well, DJ Slugger, and oh, it was a wonderful tree lighting. It's going to be up and lit during the nighttime, basically when the sun's down, the tree is lit. And of course, it's going to be raining tomorrow through Sunday. Luckily, I'll be in the Stockton Arena for the Stockton Thunder, who will be taking on the Bakersfield Condors at Stockton Arena. I do have permission from Bakersfield Condors President Matthew Riley to use the logo. I'm not going to try and make profit off of it. So, I'm basically going to get the script copyrighted, and then I'm going to get the video submitted to 3C Media Solutions, who are conducting the 2013 Student Film and Video Festival. The call for entries is now. The entries can be submitted as early as New Year's Day, January 1st, 2013, and the entry deadline is March 31st, 2013. Anyway, back to your weather. It's going to be raining tomorrow through Sunday. The 63 degrees tomorrow, 58 degrees Friday, 61 degrees Saturday, and 59 degrees on Sunday. So basically this weekend, if you're in Sacramento or in Stockton, you might as well stay indoors or have a really good coat on to prevent you getting that seasonal flu. Monday and Tuesday is going to be partly cloudy, so we're going to see some clearance in the weather. 61 degrees both days. Now, over to Modesto. Oh, let me just... Let's go from Manteca. It's basically going to be thunderstorms all throughout the San Joaquin County in Sacramento County, basically the Central Valley today. And it's going to be raining down hard tomorrow through Sunday, and it'll be partly cloudy Monday and Tuesday of next week. And let's just try and get a Modesto forecast right now. While I'm doing that, I'm going to get the ECHL games coming up and a whole lot more right here on DC Free 89.5.